You can see over the back behind us there at the moment, check that out. Those storms are starting to roll in. It's been so hot today. It is absolutely ridiculous how hot it's been. Just check out there, that's the radar of what's coming up next to us. It's been sort of brewing all day, and we're just hoping that we actually get some head our direction. So fingers crossed that we actually get some rain, but that's what's coming. So here's Nettie. Do you want to call the horses? See how they go?
You reckon they'll come up?
I don't know. Have a go.
Storm coming! Come on!
Bubbles doesn't care.
She's like, whatever.
The other three want their stables.
Oh, shivers.
Bit slow today there, Nove.
It's hot.
Hot and a full belly. So, there you go. Okay, we'll put them in their stables. What do you reckon?
That's a good idea. Whether we're going to get it or not.
Yeah, we'll just have to wait and see. So, it might just go south of us yet. So, it's looking pretty pretty scary. That part there is definitely going to miss us because it's going to the south. But if anything that's building up there...
I think it's all just kind of moving that way.
Yeah, it's
and
sort
then
of...
it'll reform at the hill behind us and go that way.
That all made perfect sense for the people at home. Because they know what way that way is.
South.
That's not even south. It's east and west.
It's going that way.
That's south.
That's what I just said. It's going all that way, and then it's going to turn and go that way, which is then east. So it's going to go south, and it's going to go east, and it's going to go behind us, and then back down east.
Or it might just come straight here and dump 20 mil on us.
You know what? Let's hope that happens.
Okay, let's put these ponies away. Well, this storm has absolutely brewed up right on top of us. You can see the rain absolutely pouring down just there, and it's insane. So looks like it's pretty wet just there too. You can see the rain coming down. That bit there might hit us if we're a little bit on the lucky side, but that has just got that tinge in it that's a little bit on the scary side. So that's all down towards Laidley. That looks like it might be getting Laidley at the moment, and we'll just have to wait and see what it does. But that is spectacular. Oh man, I'm so sweaty. It is ridiculous. It is so muggy. It's just started to spit. You can see the clouds coming in behind us there. Nettie's been out the front. I think she's been doing some storm footage and getting some lightning footage. I'm just going to pause for a second. I've got to race through and try to get this all done, but you can see that cloud just there that started rolling over the hill, and it's just rolling this way. You can actually physically see it. It is an absolute ripper. Hopefully it comes this way, because that would just be magical. It'd just be, yeah, wow. It's starting to rain, so yeah.
Wowzers, yep, birdies, get away. That's incredible. Wow. I might go inside. That is the coolest thing. I wish you could see this. Gosh, the colour, it's not showing up. That's incredible. Look at that rain, how whoever is over there is getting torrential rain. That's not coming this direction either, guys. It's going south. Wow. Ooh. Gosh almighty. Oh, I don't know if I filmed that, guys. I'm going inside. I'm done.
This storm is really rolling along. It's sort of come a weird direction, but if you have a look there, you can actually see the front of the storm, and you can see it curving around like that as it's moving along. That's a rain just in front of it, then the storm behind it, and this is all what's coming. I don't really know if it's showing up in the camera or not, but it's kind of scary because that sky is green. It is just, it's got a bright green tinge to it, which normally means hail. So fingers crossed we don't get big hail, but yeah, there you go. So we put the horses away, and this rain started coming down. That's the top of the gully towards the south of us. And it's absolutely bucketing down in the valley, which is awesome. That means it's going to run down towards us. It's slowly working its way this way. I've got the GoPro going over there as well, trying to get some high def footage of some lightning bolts and as well. But this is a beautiful, beautiful rain at the moment. So this rain has just started absolutely bucketing down, which is awesome because what we need. Unfortunately, we had a casualty already. Right there, hang on, I'll just grab it. So my GoPro that I film with had a little drop, and it is no longer with us. We grabbed it and took it for a little run, but yeah, it's gone. What can you do? Expensive day, but it's a good storm, so that's all that matters. This is just magical. It's this is awesome rain. Most of the big part of the storm's missed us so far, so we're just hoping you can see those clouds are ripping through here. We went through, we pegged down the trampoline, we've done all the stuff that we had to do. We're just hoping all the cars are undercover, so all we can do now is just hope that we get a fair whack of this and get the dam in that. I've just come out to check the rain gauge, and check that out. That's our water tanks on our little place there is overflowing, and there's nothing we can do about it. How cool is that? So I'm over here at the moment just checking the rain gauge, and it's looking pretty darn good there. What's that? That's a 10, and so that line there's 20, and it looks like about a 21. I think it's 22, just on 22 there. There you go. 22 mil so far, and it's still raining. It's only light. I know in Gatton they got over 40 mil, but we've got 22 mil so far, and that is absolutely beautiful. It's still raining. It's just, yeah, still flowing in. Over to the north there, it's absolutely bucketing down, but it's still going all around us. So I'm going to get in and enjoy the rain. Hey buddy.
I'm Goody.
What are you doing?
I'm checking the rain gauge.
Okay then, can you see the rain gauge? Where is it? Just there? Okay, it's the next morning and we're checking the rain gauge, guys. So there we go. Check that out. 30 mil of rain.
Yeah.
How cool is that? Really cool?
Yeah.
Awesome.